Hello, welcome back. Oh wow, it's been a lot of rain lately, so I haven't been able to do anything. But now it's actually pretty good weather. I have a few hours of a weather window until the next rain, so I think we need to get started on the next layer of the bricks. So it's gonna be the layer number 8. In total, I have to put on 11 layers of bricks. The first thing I have to do is put the corner bricks in. Before that, I need to level them. I need to find a level for the layer. So yeah, let's take the big bubble out and let's start leveling. Mostly it's just making sure that it's level, because if I lay the bricks level, then the next level of bricks should be level. That's a lot of level, but sometimes you have a little bit of unevenness of the bricks and user errors. You can have a little bit of variation, so I check every level. And some of you might be saying, well, it's the 21st century, why are you using bubble, not laser? Well, I have a laser. It's not a good laser, it's pretty cheap. I find it that it actually makes quite a lot of mistake. I feel like when I'm using the laser, I rely on it quite heavily, and I don't check the level for the mistakes that much, and I get worse results. And it's actually very difficult, if not impossible, to see the laser in a bright daylight. So I like my big bubble. So here, let me show you my technique for making sure the bricks are level. I use these old pieces of the old roof, and I use them as the spacers. Basically, I decide how thick I want the mortar to be. Let's say 2 pieces of this thickness, and then I put it on top of the bricks, and then I put the bubble leveling tool, how you call it, I don't know, on top of this, and I measure across all of the bricks. So and then I just go around the walls and measure it like that. Plain above. Now that the level is found, let's start mixing with the mortar and let's get these corners in one by one. Now, let's see. Okay. Mm-hmm. First one down. Yeah, that's good. More or less. Oh, that's perfect. Ooh. Oh, perfect. It's perfect. Could it be perfect vertically? Of course not. This side. I don't know if you can see it, but the clouds are looking quite dark. I better hurry up. This one. Alright, so that's all corners done. Now I'm gonna leave them to rest for, I don't know, a little bit. I'm gonna go eat a watermelon and let it cure. So, and then we can put the line, the rope, and then we can lay the 8th layer of the bricks. Alright, I think I will have to call it a day. It's getting dark, it's quite late. Surprisingly, I didn't get any rain today, but there's some storm clouds coming this way, so it might rain later this night. So I don't know, should I cover the wall that I just did? I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I guess now that's all I have for you now. I'm tired, I'm smelly, I want to get something to eat and go to bed. I'll see you in the next one.